I've got an internet crush. She's not a celebrity, but
Good morning guys! Sobrang aga namin ngayon dito sa Tokyo Station dahil pupunta kami ngayon ng Osaka. So guys, we book our ticket through Klook and lahat ng instructions ay nandoon na. Actually, gusto ko sanang maupo sa may window seat kaso lang ayaw niya makipagpalit sa akin. So after 3 hours and 20 minutes later, nakarating din kami sa Shin Osaka, then transferred to Osaka Station. Welcome back after 3 years.
Hi, love. Happy anniversary. I hope you don't forget.
So for the next 5 days, we are going to stay at the Rise Osaka Kitashinchi. So for me guys, medyo malayo siya sa Osaka Station, pero sobrang lapit niya sa Midosuji Line, Yudoyabashi Station. So guys, meron silang self-check-in in different languages kung hindi kayo marunong mag-Japanese. Very convenient na yung room namin is just next to the elevator. Actually guys, pinauna ko na siyang pumasok para lang makapag-room tour ako start dun sa elevator. Pasok! Hey guys, this is me and welcome to the Rise Osaka Kitashinchi. Say one more. I know one more.
What are you talking about?
No, you were saying something, right? No, say it.
No, I didn't.
You don't?
What are you talking about?
You don't feel it?
What are you talking about?
You don't love me?
Don't be silly.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-mm.
Mm-hmm. What then?
No,
I want to hear it.
you just heard it.
I didn't. You were just proving your point.
Well, I said that I loved you.
But you don't say it to me directly.
I said it.
I
What
love
do you want from me?
So, nagstay kami ngayon dito sa The Rise Kitashinchi. Ayan. So, we're gonna do a quick room tour. So, actually, nag-enjoy talaga ako sa mga ganito. Parang yung ginawa ko nun sa Singapore before. So, let's start! So, ito yung pinto. Of course. Hindi mawawala yan. Tapos, keycard. Pagpasok na pagpasok, meron silang mirror. And then next to that is, okay, dito muna. Meron silang sabitan ng damit. 4 na hanger. Next is toilet. So pagpasok nyo sa toilet, makakita kayo ng maganda. Charot! So dito sa toilet, meron silang bathtub, shower. So, meron kasamang body wash, conditioner, and shampoo. Sa lababo naman, meron silang face and hand foam. Okay. Tapos, meron silang cotton buds. They also have toothbrush, 2, and body towel. And also have hair dryer. Toilet bowl. Of course, automatic with bidet. And 2 face towel. I don't know kung para sa mukha ba to or not. So, after ng toilet, punta naman tayo sa bedroom. Hindi pogi. So, meron sila ditong counter. Tapos sa ilalim, meron silang ref. So, sa ref, merong libreng 2 water. Free to water. Tapos, yung iba binili na namin sa nearby Lawson. Meron din silang water heater, baso, cup. So, sa counter merong charger. Nakalimutan kong sabihin. 2 dito, merong isa dun. And then, the bed. Actually, this one looks like it's big, pero hindi talaga. Sakto lang. Ayan, parang ganyan. Naka 0.5 kasi kanina kaya medyo parang malaki. So, yung actual na itsura niya ganito. Yan na siya. Tapos dito, maliit lang din to. Ayan. Tapos, bed for two. Hi, Pogi. And also includes one poging Belgian. Psst. And dalawang bathroom. So if you wanna stay in this hotel, guys, you can book this one through Klook with 5% discount code Heythatsmin Klook. That's all, guys. Thank you for watching. See you for part 2.